everyone, welcome back to Guide Glimpse. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot on PC while playing Roblox. First, you have to open your Roblox app in your PC and log in. Next, choose any experience you want, and after choosing it, just hit the play button. After it loads, click the menu button located on the upper left corner. In here, click the menu tab that appears. After that, click the screenshot button. Alternatively, you can do it by clicking print screen on your keyboard. Once again, thank you for watching. This has been Guide Glimpse. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more how-to videos.